The hardest part of any hack is the figuring out how to start phase. That's always tricky. But let the games begin. You may as well have a little rest, actually, while I work on it. Okay. Here we go. Alright, what have we got? There is a box part here. Probably got some electronics in there. And there's a flat bit. Not sure what that is, but noted. Anyone says to me, is there a flat bit? Yes, there it is. Spinning thing. Not sure. What's happening? Okay. There. Fixed. Hold on. I thought I'd fix that. Uh-oh. Ha! Be honest, you can't even tell, can you? Seamless.